Electric cars are taking over 2025. Faster, smarter, and cooler than ever before. Whether you're a car enthusiast or just love cutting-edge tech, these 5 EVs are changing the game. Welcome to our countdown of the best 5 electric cars of 2025. Starting strong at number 5, the Hyundai Ioniq 7. Think of it as a luxury lounge on wheels. With 3-row seating, a massive 100-plus kilowatt-hour battery, and futuristic interior, this electric SUV screams comfort and innovation. Expected range? Over 300 miles. Plus, Hyundai's advanced self-driving tech might just surprise you. It's not just an SUV, it's your second living room. Coming in at number 4, the all-new Ford Explorer EV. Built tough with American muscle and German tech under the hood, thanks to its Volkswagen-based platform. Rumored range? 250 to 300 miles. Fast charging, adventure-ready, and a bold new look that makes gas SUVs look ancient. The Explorer EV proves you don't have to give up power to go electric. At number 3, meet the Polestar 4, a luxury EV that dares to be different. No rear window? Yep, it uses a high-def camera instead. Inside, it's minimal and futuristic. On the road, the dual-motor version rockets from 0 to 60 in just 3.8 seconds, with 544 horsepower. Plus, a solid 300-mile range, fast charging up to 200 kilowatts, and Google-powered infotainment. Sleek, Scandinavian, and silent. This one's a beauty. You knew it was coming. Number 2 is the Tesla Model 3 Highland, the 2025 refresh of the world's most popular EV sedan. Sharper looks, improved range, up to 341 miles, quieter ride, and a redesigned interior with no stalks. It's all touchscreen now. It's also faster, smarter, and smoother than ever. Tesla might not be new, but the Highland makes it feel brand new. Taking the number 1 spot, the Porsche Macan EV. Pure electric performance meets Porsche luxury. How fast? Up to 630 horsepower. How far? Around 315 miles on a charge. And thanks to an 800-volt battery, it charges crazy fast. 10 to 80% in just 21 minutes. With 0 to 60 in just 3.1 seconds, adaptive suspension, and Porsche's legendary handling, this is the ultimate electric driver's car. Luxury, speed, EV. Welcome to the future. So there you have it, the top 5 electric cars of 2025. Sleek designs, insane power, and cutting-edge tech. Comment below, which one would you drive? Like this video, subscribe for more car tech content every week. This is Garage Galaxy, and I'll see you in the next ride. Stay charged.